Hello everyone, hello Finland, hello Philippines. So today is my day off. I have a Thai friend, a co-worker. She had celebrated her 60th birthday last June 10. She invited me, but I was not able to attend her party because I was in Sabonlina, and then it was still time for COVID. So now she invited me, so now I'm going out with her. We will be meeting in Itäkeskus. I'm not sure what restaurant is that, but let's see. From Vantaa, first I have to get a train to going to Malmi, and then from Malmi I will get a bus to Itäkeskus. Okay, see you there. So andito na yung train. Come with me. Sasakay tayo papuntang Itäkeskus. Siguro mga 10 minutes papuntang Itäkeskus galing dito.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me, consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved. Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now.
Bawal maingay, lahat social distancing.
So when you stop paying so much attention, and when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you.
So now I'm Itäkeskus. This is how Itäkeskus is. I really seldom comes here because it's quite far from my place, and I don't like transferring from train to bus, so I prefer going to Pasila or Helsinki, the center of foreign people. Okay, now we are here in Thai orchid restaurants. So this is my friend. Hello. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi.
She's my Thai friend. We've been working for how many years now? 4 years.
Yeah.
Okay, let's come inside and see. How many years you've been?
Five.
Five
5
years.
years.
Okay, where did you live?
Manila. Makati.
Okay.
You know Makati?
So what can you say about Makati? It's Makati. You know what is Makati in English? It's itchy.
Really? Oh my God.
It's itchy. but it's so nice city.
Yeah.
What's the name of this food, Sumali?
Huh?
What's the name of this? It's fish.
Fish, yes.
Rice. Okay. It's a Thai food. It looks so yummy. I think it's my first time.
Really?
My first time will be eating this. What's the name of this in Thai?
This one,
Yeah.
kala with you know,
Fish with...
ingredient, Thai ingredient.
Okay. But it looks so yummy anyway. Yum yum.
I think she sit with you. It's okay.
Yeah, of course. As alcohol. Important.
Oh my goodness.
Hello. Say hi to my vlog. สวัสดีค่ะ
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 เอ๊ะว่ะสวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีค่ะ สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีค่ะทุกคนสวัสดีค่ะ วันนี้ชวนเพื่อนๆมากินอาหารไท
I
ย
will
กัน
buy like that. Sumali.
I already
Okay.
yeah ดูนะคะ
Let's eat, guys. Let's have mukbang. So, what is this? Fried chicken. Fried chicken. And this one. I really like this one. And of course, rice, because rice is life. Oi. Fried chicken.
What about her? You are busy there?
Last Sunday we have 300 customers in the evening. 300.
And how many
Red of wine.
you know
Good. This is so good.
ให้เพื่อนนะเพื่อนมาเมื่อกี้
Is this the same food in your birthday?
เมื่อคุณ
Huh? Is this the same food during your birthday?
my friend I think we are better
But it's the same restaurant.
something is there better something here is better different the food คนละอย่างนั่นแหละเนาะมันต้องแยกประเภทอาหารเนี่ย
But really, in Thailand, you really have a good food.
buffet ที่ร้านมีไข่แสบเข้ามาเห็นตัวปลาหรอถ้ารู้ว่า
This is so good.
it's good
Yeah.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at house and a garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn.